Blocks of ScratchJr. Blocks are like puzzle piece shapes that are used to create code in ScratchJr. We connect the blocks to each other like a jigsaw puzzle. Blocks are easier to use than text-based programming as we do not need to remember the commands to be typed. The series of connected blocks is known as a script. We drag the blocks into the programming area to create a script. Following are the various categories of blocks. Motion blocks. Motion blocks are used to move the characters on the stage. These blocks are blue in color. Block, name, description. Move right. It moves the character a specified number of steps to the right. Move left. It moves the character a specified number of steps to the left. Move up. It moves the character a specified number of steps up. Move down. It moves the character a specified number of steps down. Turn right. It rotates the character clockwise. Turn left. It rotates the character anti-clockwise. Looks blocks. Looks blocks are used to control a character's appearance. These blocks are pink in color. Block, name, description. Say, it shows a specified message in speech bubble. Grow, it increases the size of the character. Shrink, it decreases the size of the character. Reset size, it returns the default size of the character. Hide, it fades out the character until it is invisible. Show, it fades in the character until it is visible. Control blocks. Control blocks are used to control the character. Block, name, description. Wait, it pauses the script for a specified amount of time, in tenths of seconds. Stop, it stops all the character's scripts. Sound blocks. Sound blocks are green in color. These blocks control the sound functions. Block, name, description. Pop, it plays a pop sound. Play record sound. It plays a sound recorded by the user. Event blocks. Event blocks control how the blocks in a script will start to run if a particular action is done. These blocks are yellow in color. These blocks are orange in color. Block, name, description. Start on green flag. It starts the script when the green flag is clicked. Start on tap. It starts the script when you tap or click on the character. End blocks. End blocks are used to deactivate the scripts. It is red in color. Block, name, description. End. It ends the script. ScratchJr project. Follow the given steps to create the project. Step 1. Delete the old sprite and add some characters to your stage by choosing the plus button. Step 2. Add background to your game. Select the characters and create the following script for each of them. Now, click on the green flag to run the scripts.